And so we're gonna mix this on a low speed. Ooh. So now that we have our batter even, ooh, a bit more, ooh, oops. Right into, ooh, I'm just gonna make a little indentation there. Kind of aggressive stab actually, but, ooh, now. Ooh, a quick check, ooh. For a second take, ooh, and so, ooh. 2 and a table. So I'm just gonna add that right in there. Make sure you get all of that. In here I have 2.5 teaspoons of baking. Oh no, I put my spoon in the wrong bowl. Oh. Don't do that. On this matcha. Get out of here. So really bring your arm strength for this. We're gonna take a, just toss the end. Ooh, that did not go in the garbage can. And I'm talking about a pound. And without further ado, let's get, ooh. Ta-da! Ooh. And it especially is a prop. I wonder if you can. I can grate left-handed because you. Ooh. Ooh. Let's try that again. What is that sound? Okay, I'll push this closed. So this is not closing all the way, so that's gonna be fun. Yay for finding this out right before we leave. Ooh. My God, that's heavy. So I'm not quite sure where this board is gonna go. Packaging material there, and then that literally fits perfectly. Where is the zipper?